Alright. Hi everyone, in this incredible video I have one thing to show you that will help you so much with your sneakers, so let's start this video. If you're interested, I came on this one wheel to this room. It was pretty fun. In this video I just want to show you one incredible thing that is anti-crease for your shoes. Those can be Air Jordans or whichever Nike shoes you have, maybe also different type of shoes like New Balance or Adidas, you name it. Maybe it will work, but for sure it's working with Nike shoes. You can see on this photo it might actually work with other pairs of shoes that are not actually Nike. In theory, this is what they should do. So how do I like those anti-crease shoe protectors? I need to say they're incredible, but they have also a few caveats to them. So let me take this shoe. Alright, if you're in my channel for like maybe 2 months or more, actually maybe half a year, yeah, I showed those shoes, right? And you can see they're still looking great. It's nothing really bad about them. You can see a little bit here, and also other shoe is looking like this, but all those creases are actually before I put this thing on, because I was trying them on before that I even knew this thing exists. But firstly, let's talk about positives of those protectors. So you can see firstly, if I'm pressing, it's not really pressing here. I can do it pretty hard and it's still not denting much. Also, if I try to push it pretty hard, it's nothing happening. I also think that those protectors are pretty good in protecting your leg, because you can see this is actually pretty hard, so anything that will fall into it, let's say mouse, boom, not gonna hurt you much. Of course, if you're gonna be car, then yeah, that might actually hurt you a lot. But let's hope car not gonna run over your leg. So looking how cheap this thing is, because $6 is $6, that nothing really much if talking about the fact that you can have 5 pairs of this. So for $6 plus let's say shipping and tax, depends how you're ordering this, you can put those protectors into 5 different pairs of shoes, which is a lot. So if you ever were scared about wearing shoes like this anywhere because you're worried that they're gonna crease, not look very nice, then I can really recommend this. Alright, but are you maybe interested in looking how this protector will work with this type of shoes that is already extremely broken? Long story short, I broke them the same day as I bought them because my cousin had communion and there was party. And you can guess what happened to those shoes. I was partying pretty hard, I guess. So this is how it's looking like right now. And this is how the shoe is looking like after I put crease protector inside of it. So you can see it's so much better, and now it's hard to even bend it. So now let's talk about negatives, because there are actually few of them and some of them are actually kind of big. This plastic inside of your shoe can be sometimes incredibly uncomfortable. Firstly, you can just feel this plastic around, which is not very nice feeling, and you can't really walk for a longer time with it, because firstly your leg is sweating much more when there is plastic, and they saying it's breathable because there are also those parts, but after I take out my leg from the shoe, very often my sock is kind of wet, maybe not so much, but it's just not the nicest it can be. Okay, that was weird, but yeah, you got the point. So just imagine, here's your big toe, right? And here is this part. And you can just imagine when this part gonna slip a little bit like this to the top, and here's your big toe and you're doing like this moves. Imagine how this is biting you. It's sometimes so bad to the point that I just want to remove the shoe and correct this or just throw it away because it's so bad. You really feel like this thing is biting you or it's just eating your leg like for a dinner, and this is just the worst feeling ever. you can see those hooks here, something like this, and it should prevent from slipping out or things like that. But does it work? Depends on the shoe. Let's say you can see here, it's staying here, it's very nice, I can't really bend it, but if I'm gonna squeeze here, like so, and boom, you can see it's already not here. So this is not very good, but if I'm gonna take the other shoe, this black one, you can see I can do something like this, and it did came out, but not as much. I believe there's like more cushion on the top of this black shoe that it's easier to grip for those hooks, while in those orange shoes there's not enough cushion here or something, so it can't really grip well. Here you can see another of my shoes, and you can already see it can bend so easily because it already slipped for some reason. I need to put it a little bit to the front, and it's still, you can see I can just easily take it off even doing like this, and this is just funny. Now I put it back, and you can see it's not bending no more, at least not as much, but here it's still bending because it's not very matching to the shoes that I have right now. Those Air Jordans are totally different from Air Forces that are here, and probably I anyway believe that those were made just for Air Forces. Maybe for Air Jordans also, that I have those orange ones, but not sure about that. I have also those blue here, but okay, I'm too tired already to just go out from this room and try to find them. So basically it's a little bit better because those are mids, those blue are not mids, so maybe that's why it's a little bit better in the other ones, but still it depends really of the shoe, how well it's gonna be inside this part. But also I realized, which is interesting, this toe biting that can happen when this is slipping a little bit up and you trying to walk and it's trying to bite your toe, and it's incredibly not fun to experience that feeling. Maybe that's a great word. So anyway, the best solution for that is when you see this L here or R on the second pair, you just need to put it in reverse, which is weird, very weird. Basically what I understand is that this is actually the best way to do it when you put L to the right, because then it's just fitting perfectly for some reason. I'm not sure why they did that, but this is what I just understand and see while I'm wearing. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another one. Leave a comment down below if you want, and also here's the $10 for y'all if you want to buy this or maybe something else. I don't know, this is just my appreciation for you that you're watching actually this video, so thank you so much. And yeah, subscribe to the channel right here. Thank you. I don't think anyone gonna be this far in the video, but maybe. Alright, bye bye.